If you want to learn how to make 50 faceless reels, TikToks, anything you can think of for time management, I'm going to teach you right now. You're going to want to save this for later. Comment, okay? Help the algorithm get it out there. Share it with your friends who need it. And like and follow me for more, because I'm going to be dropping golden nuggets all the time on my channel about how to grow as an entrepreneur. So what we're going to first do is go to ChatGPT and ask them to write you 51 sentence text on screen for whatever you're doing. This is for digital marketing. Then you're going to open up a spreadsheet. This is a Google spreadsheet, and you're going to paste them in there. You're going to save them, of course, and then you're going to download them in a Microsoft Excel sheet. And then we're going to go over to Canva here. We are going to search templates, and we're going to go over to social media. Now we're going to scroll to the social media we like here's TikTok. You have all these templates that you can use, the ones for free, or you can use if you have the paid version, but you don't need the paid version. Let me preference that. So we're going to use this template here, and this is a nice template, right? But I like to use my own. So I upload and download my own videos that I have created, because I don't want anything to happen with TikTok saying that, I've stole somebody's design. That's just me personally. So I am already a UGC content creator, so I create content for other people, and this just happens to be one of them. So I'm going to use it because it's mine. I own the rights to it, and it actually looks really good. And so I'm going to use this one as a playable TikTok or a reel, and I am going to go over here to apps, and then I'm going to go here to bulk create and upload my data, grab my file that I've created, hit continue, and right here. So first thing is, if you're adding your own stuff, you do need to add a heading or a title so you have somewhere for your text to land. So I've just created a subheading, and I'm going to go ahead and create it where it's going to make a nice bulk subheading. So a lot of spaces are going to happen, and I'm going to delete all of that stuff. But this is how you just are going to play around with this. Get used to it. After you get used to it, it's going to be just click, 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 click. Trust me. So then we're going right over here. We are going to go to the 3 lines. We're going to hit connect data. So first I need to come back to apps, go to bulk create, because I was playing around in my design, and I need to click here and hit connect data. Click on what I want it to connect to, which is here. Then I'm going to come back here, hit continue, and all of them are going to auto populate. And then I'm going to hit say generate 49 designs. And here we go. All 49 of my designs are generated, and I can play them. And this is what it looks like. And you can add more text in if you wanted to. And what I did is I accidentally created a second one. You don't want to create more than one, but you're going to be playing around with these. Put them like you're going to go through each one and center your text. You can play around with the colors of the text. You can play around with the fonts. You can have it bold. You can have effects to them. You can animate them. So sit down and play around with this for a little bit. Literally, I mean, there's so much to choose from in here. And again, this is just all on the free version. Just the free version. But, unfortunately, to connect data like this, you do have to have the paid version, which I believe is like $12 to $14 a month. But you do get 30 days for free. 30 days. Imagine how many you can create in 30 days. So again, but here's the caveat. It's all one design, right? It may be different text. It's all one design. So you want to have multiple of these so that you can auto put them on whatever platform that you want, and you can choose which design you're using today. So again, you can play around with the text, move them around, and then here you go. You can see it right here, and it's just going to play. And what I'm going to do is come over to share my design, and I can hit download and download them all to my computer. Here's a little trick that I prefer to do is I go to the share button. I'm going to come down here and hit share on social, choose my social media platform. So here's TikTok, and I'm going to share them all on TikTok, save them in my drafts so that they're ready for me to populate.